Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 30 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and then installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Just click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. Following that, in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Wherever you decided to close this window, tap on OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of TCL. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on TCL, using all of those categories at the top, select your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, use this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section instead, and then type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!